Okay guys, today we're going to learn how to use breadboard. So we have a sample breadboard, we have breadboard, and we have the Arduino. Okay, we also need a jumper wire, a resistor, and a LED. Okay, so a LED consists of two wires. The long wire is the positive and the short one is the negative. So we have positive and negative. Same with our breadboard. Breadboard consists of positive and consists of negative. Okay. Now we're going to connect the negative into our Arduino to the ground, and we're going to connect the positive to the positive. Now we're going to insert the LED. So we have, as I've mentioned, we have positive and we have negative. So the long wire is the positive and the short one is the negative. So let us insert, and we need to use the resistor. So I have resistor, so negative and negative. Now we use our jumper wire. So we have positive. So from this part are common up to the end. So meaning they are connected. So let us insert the positive. So we have a LED light. So from negative, the resistor to the negative. So we have ground, that's negative, and we have 5 volts. So we need the resistor for a LED light. And then we insert another LED. So same procedure. So we have negative or ground, and we have a negative. So negative and positive. So let us insert the negative. The short one is for the resistor, and we have positive to the positive. So that's the second LED. So we insert another LED. So for example, we have negative, the resistor, and we can insert anywhere. And let us have a LED. So ground is for negative, that's the resistor, negative, and then negative. Next, we have jumper wire for positive and a positive. So that's it. So we have 3 LED.